Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift personal transfer lift system shown to lift a wheelchair into the rear of a Honda Odyssey 2011 through 2017 with a PIR mount. So the purpose of this video, it's a detail video just to show you how the system works in the Honda Odyssey so that you understand what this particular mounting system is. Please look at other videos in our notes field down below in this YouTube video to show you how that all works. More details on the application. So we've got a pin here. That's very important. You make sure that you use this pin to keep everything in place while the unit's in the vehicle's in motion. So we can remove the lift right here. Now note that the lift is completely cordless. All of this is removable here. You can take that stuff and just take it right out. You can stow it. And the best part, of course, and the reason why people buy the multi-lift system and with the PIR mount is because you can still operate the seat. So you can see that your seats are still fully operable. We have not impeded the motion of the seats at all. Everything still operates, and you'll notice that everything stays clear of that area. So let's have a look down inside here. You can see our mounting system all goes into original holes. We're not drilling holes in the vehicle. The only exception is we've got two small holes up here inside of the pinch weld. Okay, very, very unobtrusive. You'll see that that is right there. And of course, it doesn't affect the value of your vehicle because you simply put the cover back over it when you do remove the mount. Now up here, we're actually tied into a seat belt mounting location. These belts right here are actually belts for keeping the lift from swinging around if there is no one in the rear here, okay? And if you are moving around. These belts are, again, for just keeping the wheelchair from rolling around. They're not a proper wheelchair tie down, but they do keep the wheelchair from moving around while the lift is in motion. So we'll go back over putting everything in place and getting prepared for use. So this pin goes right through here, stuff that right there. Right there. Lift on the unit. Swing arm. And now we make a whole variety of adapters. So this is one particular adapter for this particular wheelchair, but it really, really varies greatly depending on the vehicle. Okay, so this adapter right here is made for this system. So we're going to just hook this right up. And in fact, we'll show you this one particular system again. Your adapter is going to be completely different. Right here, this is one particular style of adapter. I'll give you a moment, I'll just show you a different style. Now you'll see this with a whole lot of extra strap because that's what gets cut off once you calibrate it to a particular chair. This style uses carabiners that hook to different points on the wheelchair. Many of the wheelchairs have built-in factory adapters, rings, so these would all be cut off and you would only have the 4 straps coming off of it. And this portion goes right in here. In place of what you see, all this would be gone. You just have the 4 straps. Okay, so let's show you how this particular one works. I'll bring this right over here. Hook. And you would raise and guide the wheelchair. Now there's a video down below that will show you a little bit more about how this works in other vehicles. So and in this vehicle for getting it in. So we're not going to show you that whole process because you can see that in the videos in the notes field down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. We hope you like the design of the PIR mount and how it's minimally intrusive into the vehicle, and of course how everything is removable with the multi-lift system, and how it stows and all of that. We really appreciate that. Now here, actually, there is one important thing we should show you. Here is